You have any idea what it is, Garrett?
Nope.
Can you guess?
It's a game, I'm guessing.
How about 2 more guesses?
It's your graduation gift. What do you think we would get you?
Weights?
Weights? What?
Yeah, I'm guessing that.
You're guessing weights.
And I have one more guess. This is hard.
1 more.
Just go ahead. 1, 2, 3, look!
A new bike!
Get on there, check it out.
Whoa.
Put the kickstand up.
This one actually fits you. What do you think?
Feels good.
Seat too high for you?
No, not really. Can I try?
What do you think? Put your feet on there.
Let him get used to it, Jazz. No, honey, don't put your fingers in the spoke.
What do you think?
There you go.
Good.
That's good?
Yep.
It's not to the chest anymore, huh?
No.
What do you think, Bean?
It's great.
Congratulations, you're going to be a middle schooler.
Cool, dude. You want to go take it for a ride?
Sure.